G'day folks, welcome back. We've got people doing yard work, we've got birds flying around, and I'm about to throw some paint, so, here's my buddy the crow. Anyway, I've got a pot loaded up with some paint, and yeah, we're going to throw it across this canvas and we're going to see what happens. And we'll see if we can avoid the mistake from yesterday's video. I'm interested to see who notices it, because I didn't notice it until it was well and truly finished. Like hours after the fact, I went, oh, bugger, that happened. But anyway, let's get this thing kicked off. And we're going to let this one go a little bit crazy, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to let this one go for a while. Ah, yes, I like it. Much craziness. Do us. So silly. Here we go, blue paint, you go in there. Alright, let's give you guys a little look at the silliness. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. You like it a lot. Alright, so get you down to a standard view. So I just went with 4 blue colours. As you can see, got a pretty radical looking thing here. I love these patterns, so got some nice lines across the top. Really awesome squiggly bits in the middle. Some more stuff down there. So there you go, we'll stand like this. That looks really cool. I don't know, I know they're silly, but I just, they're a lot of fun to do. So I just want to say thanks to everybody that's been stopping by and checking out the weirdness. And I'll see you all next time.